Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another review. Today we're going to be reviewing something that just came out, a brand new piece of tech that I just got in the mail. Now, I want to start off by saying I hope it survived because that's the condition I got the package in. So, yeah, isn't that great? Look at that. Somebody definitely kicked it. Gotta love it. So we're gonna do an unboxing and first impressions of this. And I'm gonna, you probably know by the title what it is. But all right. Let's get a little closer here. There's a rubber band on here. That's different. Not sure why there's a rubber band on here. All right. Any important thing on here? Nope. Nope. Now, do I want to rip this up? Do you have to? You do have to. That's interesting. Okay. That's right. Gotta cut all that out. That's right. All right. So we are reviewing, or we're taking the first impression unboxing, not really a deep down, but we're taking a look at the new Mac Mini 2024 with the M4 chip. We're taking a look at this bad boy and seeing what this is all about. So we are going to do an unboxing, and let's kind of zoom in a little bit and see what our first impressions are. So, like true Apple product. Feels like there's an iPhone in here. Let's take off that tab. Pretty satisfying. Take out that tab. Let's see. Oh man. You know what the hard part about reviewing these tech products is that I want to keep everything. I just I don't want to like, this is stuff that I want to keep. Okay. All right. So, this is satisfying to peel. What does it say down there? Can't read what that says. It says, throw me away. Let's see what else we got in the box. All right, we got really nice braided cord. That feels really nice. Designed in California. I think that's it. That's all we got. We got a cord and a Mac. All right, so this is the very basic model that I got. This is the M4 chip, 10 cores, 16 gigs of RAM, and I think 256 storage. So the storage on it is seriously 256. Like, really? I guess for the price point. So this comes in at about $579 on Amazon. I think it might be a little bit more or less on the website. Did they put a button? Did they put the on button? They put the on button under the computer. What? Why would anybody do that? That's so weird. I mean, listen, I have a MacBook, but other than that, I've never had like a Mac PC. Is this common? Do you put the power button under the PC? I mean, let me go turn on my computer with all the wires that are here, and I'm just gonna lift it up and press power. Is this not designed to? Is this designed to be turned off or not turned off? Anyway, very strange. Uh, so first impressions of it. Listen, I'm a mini PC guy. I'll take a couple pictures of my desk and some B-roll of my desk. Um, and I've been a fan of mini PCs. I use mini PCs almost for everything. Uh, use them for Plex servers. I got the MS01. I use them. I have a B-Link, a CR7 in there for my work computer, and have another Form downstairs for for just for having. So I'm a real fan of the small computers, small form factors, and just plugging them. The low wattage. I love the low wattage, for stuff like this. Now, why did I get this? Why did this appeal for me? So again, with some B-roll footage I'll roll, is I have a MacBook that is on this desk that we have here on the left side. And when I got my MacBook, that's an older MacBook. It's like an M1, I believe, the M1 chip. I started getting into a lot of the Apple environment, ecosystem type of scenario. And with that being said, I was kind of like, I really like the MacBook. I have it over there on the desk and I hook it up to my monitors. And when I hook it up to my monitors, it looks absolutely stunning. The picture, everything looks absolutely beautiful. And now that I get more involved with MacBook and MacBook just working, this really appealed to me. I was like, oh, this is like a little mini PC, a little Mac that I could put there. It has everything that I need, and it could just sit there on the side, and I no longer have to dock and undock my my laptop. I was like, this would be a perfect, uh, a a perfect addition to my setup right now. My main computer is a Threadripper, my work computer is the CR7, and then I would have a small MacBook for doing MacBook stuff. And again, I am not by any means a power user of Mac at all, at all. I'm just getting into it. I've dabbled a little bit with Final Cut, um, and that's really it. I like the simplicity of it. I like being able to, you know, take pictures on my phone and and everything's just there. I message back and forth. I love being able to do that. So I do have like a Magic Keyboard that comes directly from Apple. Um, so this with the Magic Keyboard and on my system, I feel like it would be a perfect addition for that. So what does it feel like? I it feels like it's $500. I There's a little lacking with how premium it feels. It doesn't. It. I mean, it has got the nice metal feel here, but there's something about it that just doesn't feel top of the line for whatever reason. And I can't put my finger on it. It. I don't know. This button here is making me go crazy. I don't understand who engineered a button on the bottom of a computer to turn it on. Like the on button. It's not even like another button. It's just an on button. So um so I hear the M4 chip is more than capable. Trying to look up some specs here on this. Let's see what we got here. So it's supposed to work with Apple Intelligence. Looks small, lives large. I'm literally reading this off the website type of scenario. All right, so we got 3 Thunderbolt Ethernet. It doesn't tell you what the Ethernet. Please do not tell me this is a gig Ethernet. If this is a gig Ethernet, I'm gonna tell you to save your money. Uh, so, uh, so it is a gig Ethernet. See, this is what I don't get, right? Like, how do you have such a powerful chip in here, right? How do you have such a high-tech chip in here with Apple Intelligence and everything so well done? Why would you skimp on stupid stuff like that? I mean, just put a 2.5 in there and it's more than, you know, it make people feel better, even if the Wi-Fi, I don't even know if this has Wi-Fi 6 in it. Um, and again, this isn't really too much of a tech review. I'm just kind of reviewing a couple things about it. Um, and I'm going to try to use it for a week and see where we go with this. But as far as the product, as far as the unboxing, that's kind of all you get is you get the MacBook and you get the cord. Now, I know you can do bigger models, like you could customize better models on this, and I think the high-end models go to $1,400. I think that's it, but the M Pro is in there. And you get like 12 cores, 16 GPU cores. You get 24 gigs of RAM, which is pretty impressive, but you still get a 512 SSD. I don't understand that either. Like you could literally put a 2 terabyte SSD into this for $200. I'm not sure why they would skimp on that. But again, it still comes with the same gigabit, gigabit, and the Thunderbolts. The Thunderbolts are a nice touch. I like Thunderbolt speeds. HDMI is fine. Um, but again, all right. So this was an unboxing. I am going to use it for a week. See if I like it. See if I can incorporate it as part of my ecosystem. If not, it's going back. So uh, I appreciate it. If you guys like the unboxing, weird, not knowing anything about this, please like and subscribe. This is again, this channel is just a review channel on everything that I can incorporate in my life. This isn't really a tear down. We're gonna see how we could use this. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys have a good day, and we'll talk later.